Today we will learn how to make this double exposure effect in Photoshop. First of all, let's select our subject. Go to Select. Choose Subject. You can use any selection tool you want to refine edges and hair. Go to Select again and choose Select and Mask. Paint over edges of hair carefully. From Output section, choose New Layer with Layer Mask, then click OK. Unhide background layer. To turn image to black and white, click Adjustments icon and choose Black and White. Hold Alt or Option key, click and drag this mask layer over top layer. Click on Yes. Insert your next image. You can find link for images in description. Press Ctrl or Command T. Then adjust image size and position. Hit Enter to accept changes. Select Rectangular Marquee tool. Select this part of the image. Then go to Edit. Content Aware Scale. From this point, drag it to the right. And accept changes. Hold Alt or Option and drag mask layer over the top layer and release it. Change blend mode from normal to lighten. Select the mask. Pick brush. Make sure foreground color is black. And paint on some parts to hide them. Select second layer. Create a new layer. Increase flow. And follow the process. By holding Alt or Option, click between these layers to clipping mask. Create a Levels Adjustments layer. Drag black slider to make image little bit darker. Select top layer. Create a Levels Adjustments layer. Click this icon to clip it mask to bottom layer. And follow the process. That's it. And this is the final result. Don't forget to like the video and see you in next tutorial.